Welcome to the internet, a place for shopping, entertainment, communication, and in today's world, making money. This may be no news to you, but there are tons of different ways you can make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or thinking of making some serious cash, we've got 10 websites for you to look into. You can easily make up to $100 a day on some of these sites. And the good news is, you don't even have to quit your day job to make that much money. You can do it all in your free time. Getting interested? Let's start with the video. Welcome to Gray Skies Media, and we're here to help you invest in your future. Before we hop into our featured websites, let's talk a little bit about two distinctive ways you can make money on the internet: active income and passive income. Getting active income is pretty simple. You get paid only for work that you get done. No work, no pay. Kind of like your regular 9 to 5. Then we have passive income, the best way to make money in my opinion. In contrast to active income, with passive income, you just put in some work one time and watch the money roll in after that. It takes minimum effort, and the most you'd have to do is promote your work or other people's work. Now that we've got that sorted out, let's start with the first website on our list. Don't forget to give us a like, leave a comment, or even subscribe if you like what you're hearing so far. First up, we've got Upwork, a website for freelancers who want to make active income. On Upwork, businesses and individuals alike post job listings for work they want to get done. It can be anything from writing articles, editing videos, developing apps, coding, or even transcribing. It's easy to sign up and easy to get a job. You don't need a degree, just the right amount of skill to get a certain job done. They say that if you're good at something, never do it for free, and Upwork is the best place to get paid. If you want to find success at Upwork, our tip is to develop a solid resume to attract clients and receive more job offers. Put your best work on the spotlight or emphasize relevant work experiences to give yourself an edge. There are a lot of other websites that offer affiliate programs. One of them is ClickBank, an online marketplace and affiliate program selling digital courses and services worldwide. The rate of commissions vary on ClickBank, but you can potentially get paid up to 75%. Some affiliates only pay 5% though, so it's best to keep it in mind as you go through the site. Even so, the possibilities of a higher commission would be too good to pass up. You won't always get the chance to earn up to hundreds of thousands of dollars with just a few clicks. Just head on over to the ClickBank website, pick something to promote, and start earning money. Now let's talk about Shutterstock. Shutterstock may be no stranger to you if you're a digital creative. It's a website where you can buy or sell digital media like pictures, music, and video clips. Freelancers and third parties are the main contributors of Shutterstock. So if you've got a good eye for photography or cinematography, Shutterstock is the website for you. You earn money on Shutterstock every time someone buys one of your pictures. The company pays you a commission, ranging from a couple of cents to a few dollars. Just make sure to consistently upload high-quality media on Shutterstock, and you're good as gold. Now, let's talk about YouTube. Over the years, the standards for making money on YouTube has changed drastically, and it's a bit of a challenge to get your channel approved for monetization, especially when you're starting from scratch. The minimum threshold is currently 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers over the last 12 months. Once you've reached those numbers, earning money on YouTube can be a breeze. The key is making good content that can attract a big audience to keep your views up. The longer the video, the better. YouTube content creators can make anywhere from $1 to hundreds of thousands, and the more views, the more money you can make. Creating videos on YouTube helps you earn passive income, where you can churn out a few videos and you can make money consistently as long as they're getting views. Having a huge audience on YouTube also opens up other opportunities for making more income. Once you hit 10,000 subscribers, you can get paid sponsorships from a variety of companies looking to promote their products or services. You know Amazon as one-stop shop for everything and anything you can think of. But did you know you can also make money on it? That's right, Amazon isn't just a place to buy toys or spare parts. Let's take a look at 3 ways you can do it. The first one is Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk for short. This is similar to Upwork, where you can make active income by completing tasks that are too difficult for computers or bots to do. So there's audio editing, transcribing, translating, web page testing, and writing reviews among a huge variety of tasks. Depending on the task, you can make $20 to $30 an hour. This is a legitimate way of earning money, and Amazon does pay. The second way is Kindle publishing, where you can make passive income. If you're a budding writer, this is the job for you. If you're not, keep on watching. Kindle publishing helps you make passive income by selling a book you've written or a book you've had someone write for you. The possibilities are endless, and you can write about absolutely anything. You don't have to be a renowned author or to be signed on to a publisher. You just need to get an ebook made. That means you don't even have to be a writer. You just need to have some creativity. The best part about this is that it's absolutely free to sign up. Or you can even use your existing Amazon account to get started. Amazon will take care of all money matters, so you can just sit back, relax, and wait for the money to roll in. If this is something that you're really interested in, there's a ton of free videos and tutorials you can find on YouTube to help you get started. Expert advice may come with a price though, but it can be a good investment if you're serious about writing. This is definitely a lucrative market that's worth looking into. The last method is the Amazon Associates program, which we mentioned a little bit earlier. It's a very popular way of making passive income. A lot of creators on YouTube include affiliate links in their video descriptions so they can earn from viewers who are interested in buying products mentioned or used in their videos. Getting it done is a piece of cake, and we'll tell you how. To become an Amazon affiliate, you basically sign up for the Amazon Associates program for free. Then, pick from the thousands of product listings on Amazon and promote them. You'll be given a special link, and every purchase made through this link will give you a commission of 5 to 10% from Amazon. Payment is made 60 days after the purchase, either through Amazon gift cards or wire transfer for US residents. If you live outside the US, they also pay through checks or money transfers to your Amazon account. Next up is Flippa.com. Flippa is a well-known online marketplace where people buy and sell online business. It also offers great tools to boost website visibility. Flippa is like eBay for digital assets, where websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts are bought and sold. If you have the talent for application and website development, you can use Flippa to sell them online and make some serious cash. An even better feature of Flippa is, if you already have some cash, you can buy these digital platforms that already make money. It works just like eBay. You make a bid for a certain website, app, or store, and hope and pray you get the highest bid. Once you've got, congratulations! You're the proud owner of an online business. You can also sell online businesses if you have it. Next, we've got TakeLessons.com. Everybody's good at something, and you can make money off of something you're good at through takelessons.com. Takelessons.com is an online platform where you can teach other people to do a variety of things. Maybe you're good at foreign languages, or cooking, or playing an instrument. Well, takelessons.com is the place to share your skills and earn money while doing it. You can teach people anything you think is valuable, or anything you think someone else might not know. If you're not feeling up to teaching, give Fiverr a spin. Fiverr is a simple and easy site where you can offer your skills and services for as little as $5. You can offer practically anything. Just make sure it's legal. You can offer design services, animation services, web and mobile, design, floor planning, and even search engine optimization, just to name a few. Anything that can be outsourced can be found on Fiverr. There's no shortage of clients, so it's definitely a great option for earning active income. Give their website a visit and make sure to show off your skills. If you're a dog lover, this next one is for you. Rover is a dog sitting service offered in the US and Canada. If you're living in either of those countries, this is a great opportunity for you. You just have to register as a dog sitter and look after other people's dog for about $80 to $100 per night. That's hundreds of dollars for a week's worth of dog sitting. Sounds like a great deal to me. Last but definitely not the least, we have drop shipping. The basic concept is selling product for a certain profit without having to do the shipping yourself. With this type of business, you are essentially acting like a middleman between the customer and the manufacturer. First, you have to open up a Shopify store and connect it to Oberlo, an app with Shopify integration which allows people to source products that they want to sell on their stores. Once this is set up, customers can buy from your Shopify store. When they have placed an order, all you have to do is pay the manufacturer for the product, and they will ship it directly to the customer. You can spare yourself the hassle of ordering in bulk, packaging the product, and shipping it yourself. The best part of drop shipping is that you can set the prices yourself, depending on the profit margin that you want or think is fair. All you really have to do in the end is collect. If this is something you might be interested in, YouTube is an incredible resource for tutorials on starting your own drop shipping business. It is a business, so it might be intimidating to go through the process of creating your store, curating products, advertising, hiring influencers, and eventually getting paid. But it's all well worth it. Well, that's all the money-making tips we have for you today. We hope we've helped you decide which way to go when it comes to making money online. What do you think is the best one? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on that bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.